Welding offers an economic way to leverage the dual benefits of both metals while retaining their mechanical, electrical, and corrosion properties. Explosion welding allows for over 260 metal combinations, including these metal types. The proprietary data-clad explosion welding process begins with a thorough inspection of the materials. Then, grinding the surface of each metal ensures that they're free from any debris, oxides, and surface flaws. The thicker of the two metals is called the backer, the thinner layer, the cladder. The detonation is initiated, driving one metal towards another, producing a precise collision angle and velocity. These factors are crucial in creating a jet in which all oxides and impurities are expelled. The jet not only sweeps the plate surface clean, but creates the ideal conditions for a weld. The backer and cladder come together to produce the end product, explosion welded clad.